1, 1, quick, slow. Now, in vals, we cannot divide it exactly in two halves because it's 3 that way. But normally what we do regarding the cadence is to do 1, 2, 1. So when we do, and then we'll use better the change of system. When the leader does 1, 2, 1 to go into the backward 8. 1, 2, 1 to exit the backward 8. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1. For the follower, we still, like when we do in tango, and she keeps stepping 1, 1. That's what the follower will still do. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 in the backward 8. But the leader is doing 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1. The backward 8 is a good way to start looking into how we use the double time in vals. The goal is to get into the turns because that's what we want to do in vals, is to turn as much as possible. But let's understand it in this easy peasy way with the backward 8 that we will use anyway. Let's do it in this way. It will be easier. Instead of doing the 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1 many times, only 2 times to get in and out the backward 8. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. My right leg steps on the right. And then you can do tango flows. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. And also do the pause. You know, you can walk. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1. Let yourself go and see the elements that appear in your dance and give them the cadence of the pa, 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 the emphasis that comes into the 3.